just popped the cap off. I haven't emptied it yet. And the cap came out already half clean by itself. And I did not do that. Inside before I start scrubbing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's alright. Let's see what happens when I scrub it. And remember, this is my first time doing this stuff, so